Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how to make chocolate caramel popcorn without chocolate. If this is what you'd love to try, keep watching. First, you want to heat up your pan and add 4 tablespoons of sugar. We're adding 4 tablespoons of sugar because we'll be making this with something, and that's going to give us chocolate we want. Then I'll add a little bit of water into this. So this water is going to help the sugar to dissolve so that it doesn't burn. We don't want this to burn, okay? So you're going to gently stir this until all the sugar has been fully combined with the water. If you're new to my channel, this is just the right time to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to go in and add cocoa powder. I just add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder because this cocoa powder has a bitter taste and you don't want it to be much. So I'll go in with some butter. I'm using Sima's butter for this, about 2 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm going to stir this and combine everything together. You want to use butter and not groundnut oil because it gives it a very nice taste. Salted butter with a little bit of salted butter with sugar. That is just delicious. Okay, so I'm not using groundnut oil or vegetable oil for this. I'm using salted butter, and then I'm going to combine this very well and then add in my popcorn. So I'll add in 6 tablespoons of popcorn. But I realized that this was a little bit much, so 5 tablespoons of popcorn would do very well, okay? And you want to do this in a very large surface, okay? I'm going to tell you why. Because you want space for the corns to pop. I'll cover this and allow it to begin to pop. Then what I'm going to do so that it doesn't burn and so that everything combines together is I will keep, rocking this at intervals. I will keep doing this at intervals so that everything gets to pop and everything is fully combined. You can see they are still popping. So I'll keep doing this at intervals until the corns are done popping. Then our popcorn is ready to be served. Guys, what are you enjoying this with? A chilled juice is just so good with this popcorn. I can make this for that movie night that you're planning for. Okay, so this is it. Serve your popcorn and enjoy. If you're new to my channel, still subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and tell me what you think about this video. I'm going to try out this recipe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.